How to withdraw Telegram stars, a guide to major star airdrop withdrawal. Stars earned in your Telegram channel become available for withdrawal 21 days after they are accrued. Ensure that you check your balance and the date when the stars were earned. Telegram has partnered with Fragment, a non-custodial platform, to facilitate the withdrawal of stars. You will need to visit the Fragment platform to initiate the withdrawal process. On the Fragment platform, enter your Telegram username and connect your Ton wallet. This step is crucial as it allows you to transfer your stars to Ton coin. Once connected, select the unit of stars you wish to withdraw. You can also choose a specific package if applicable. Confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal. After confirming the withdrawal, the stars will be converted to Ton coin and transferred to your connected wallet. Be sure to check your wallet to confirm that the transaction was successful. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.